$3.
Can I have a 3, please? So he says to me. Very funny, sir.
Very funny, sir? What does he think I am?
You're an idiot, aren't you? There's no such thing as $3 bills. You could have just used 3 ones.
I know for a fact that they make $1 bills, $2 bills, $4 bills, and even $5 bills. What makes you think they'd go and just skip 3?
Pretty serious about this, aren't you, Captain Crocs?
For the last time, my name's not Captain Crocs. It's...
Hey! How many times do I have to tell you, during Operation Stella Luna, we're not supposed to know each other's real names? You think I like being called Professor Pantyhose? Now just go by Captain Crocs and deal with it.
Whatever. Let's just get out of here, meet up with Prince Galoshes, and take care of shit in the morning.
I can't believe you thought there was such a thing as $3 bills. They only make bills in even numbers. Everyone knows that.
Dude, we need to get to a hospital.
You know I can't bring you to a hospital, man. As soon as I bring you to a hospital, this whole thing will have been for nothing. We'll just meet up with Professor Pantyhose, get you back to the hideout and patch you up. I promise everything's gonna be okay.
Bit better, dude. I think I'm gonna die or something, dude.
You're not gonna die. Shut up. You're gonna be okay. I promise. It doesn't look good.
What's wrong?
It's Galoshes. He cut his finger open. He's bleeding real bad. He's passed out in the back seat right now. I don't know what to do with him.
What do you suggest?
I think we might have to amputate.
His whole finger?
No, dude. His whole body. His arms, his legs, his torso, his head. Everything except for his little finger.
You messed up. 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 You bitch.
Listen, I'm sorry. I couldn't have gotten the plans without shedding some blood. How was I supposed to know he was worth a ransom?
You know these things before going into a job. And I'm afraid that you're not much use to me if you can't do your job correctly.
But I got the plans.
Yeah, you did do that. I'll give you credit. But you messed up.
Christ, it hurts, dude.
Shut up. Keep putting pressure on it. Everything's gonna be okay.
So, we doing this amputation shindig or what? No? Okay.
It's all your fault, Crocs. You should just take the time to get a library card. But no! Couldn't do that. That'll take too long, so let's just steal the books. And that lousy librarian had to throw an Encyclopedia Britannica at my finger. Screw you,
Hey now!
Crocs.
Let's not go pointing any fingers.
Soon I won't have any more fingers to point.
Alright, look. We got the book. No need to worry. Everything's just fine.
Ulysses, get in here.
What the hell happened over here? I'll take care of it. Say, Mr. Durston, whatever happened with those new guys? Did you, how'd Operation Stella Luna go?
For the last time, Ulysses, you can call me Dennis. Stella Luna, something tells me something went wrong. I would have gotten a call by now. If you ask me, I bet they figured it out. They realized the value of the code and are now keeping it for themselves to sell to the highest bidder.
But Dennis, they're just getting a children's book out of the library. How hard could it be? Plus, even if they found the code in the last page, it's not like they know what the numbers mean. Do you really think they're that smart?
Doesn't take a genius to figure it out. Why would anyone pay them top dollar to retrieve a library book? Anyone can do that. Well, anyone but me, that is.
Exile, it takes your mind again. Exile.
I'm sure everything's fine.
You know, come to think of it, do any of them even have library cards?
Oh, I remember this book.
Oh, dude, guess how much I love you. No!
You got the book, right?
I thought that you were supposed to get it.
No, I thought you were getting it. I was in the Dr. Seuss books.
We goofed this one, guys.
Like, guys, we can just go back to the library and get it. It's gonna be okay.
Go back to the library. You pulled a gun on them.
Look, Mr. Durston needs that book. If we don't have it, he'll have our heads. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Hello? Yeah, Mr. Durston. Yeah, we got it. We got it right here.
So you ready for me to come pick it up then?
No, we're not ready yet. I'm not presentable.
Be over in 20 minutes. Something's gone awry. They want us to wait.
Oh, shit.
What the heck does he need that book for anyways?
Look, it doesn't matter why he wants the book. All that matters is that as soon as he finds out we don't have it, we're dead. It's simple. We run for our lives. We hop on the next train, change our names, befriend some hobos, grow some kick-ass beards. Shit. I can't even grow a beard.
I agree. Let's skittle-daddle on out of here before the boss arrives.
Guys, I need some stitches or something. Can I get fixed up first? I'm dying over here.
Here. Try one of these. It'll make you feel better.
Dude, smoking kills. No.
He's right, man. Smoking kills. Especially $1 pieces of turds like that.
Yeah? Well, at least I don't wear wind pants.
So that's how it's gonna be, huh?
Hey, man. I got what you need right here.
Shit's the jam.
Dude, I don't smoke anything. What makes you think I'm gonna snort anything?
Did you hear that?
I hear shit all the time, man.
Somebody's out there. Need to go check that out.
Eavesdropping? I haven't been dropping any eaves, sir.
I'm not dicking around! Oh. 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 What are you doing here?
What is your name?
Where did you come from?
Where did you go?
What is your mother's maiden name?
Why do I have diabetes?
Where'd you get those boots? I really like your style.
How do you beat level 7 on Pac-Man?
What is the capital of Mozambique?
Who are the perpetrators of the Israeli hostage crisis in the 1972 Munich Olympics?
Who am I? What am I doing with my life?
Where did I get this broom?
What is Martin Scorsese's middle name?
Who was the 23rd president?
Hold on. I work for the town.
She's with the police!
I knew it!
I work for the town as a gardener. You know, like, taking care of the landscaping.
She's lying. We need to torture her if we want to get any real information out of her. So you do it.
With what? I can't do that.
I don't know, man. Just like carve a couple fingers or like, you know, burn a cigar and stick it on her skin, you know? I saw that and they do that in the movies. Or just waterboard her. That's what they do to the terrorists, you know?
What exactly is waterboarding?
I'm glad you asked.
Look, I work for the town! I'm a gardener! It's that simple! It's quarter to 2. I have other jobs to do. People are going to notice that I'm gone.
Did you just say quarter to 2? Durson's gonna be here in negative 5 minutes. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Galoshes, get your shit to... Galoshes? Shit. Shit. Look.
Dang ass dang.
What now?
Gonna take the bikes?
They're gone.
I don't even know.
Those bastards took off with my book. Looks like Galoshes tried to take it for himself.
I don't know. There's blood and powdered sugar everywhere. Should have seen it coming. No book, no code.
I'm gonna rip their sternums out.
Wait, what?
I said I am going to rip their goddamn sternums out!
Dirksen, the car's fine. I honestly don't know why they didn't take it.
Smell that?
Yeah.
That, my friend, is the smell of dirt cheap tobacco. There's only one man who would smoke shitty tobacco like this. Crocs.
Looks like they went this way.
I'd have to agree with you.
So what now?
You know that song, Colby, maybe?
Yeah, I heard it a lot lately, actually.
Yeah, I've been listening to it too. I mean, you know, I ain't no fag, but good song. And I've theorized that it's actually about a call girl.
Oh shit!
Prostitute, you know, sexy
wait,
stuff.
what?
You know, like sexy stuff.
No, hold up.
We've been kerplunked!
But they find us!
book? Where's Stellaluna? You messed up! You messed up! Yes, sir! You messed up! You messed up!
It's too windy. Give me some cover. Good? Yeah. Look, Mr. Durson, we messed up.
Messed up? Talk. Tell me, how'd you mess up? How'd you manage to fuck this one up too?
Well, we lost the book. Oh, or to be more honest, we never got the book in the first place.
You never got the book. How is that even remotely possible? How do you not get a children's book from a library? It's free, for God's sake!
There's a computer lookup system. It's really simple.
Exactly! There's a computer lookup system! How did you manage to screw that one up? Please, tell me, I'm fascinated! Indulge me, you son of a bitch!
But, I guess none of us had library cards, so...
Oh, shit! None of you had library cards!
Told you
So
that
what'd
would
you do? Did you try... Yeah, he told me, yes he did. Did you try to go in there without a library card and just... Did you hold a gun to their heads?
Yeah.
What'd you... You held a fucking... Jesus, it's a fucking library, man! Well, looks like there's only one thing to do now.
Dewey's about to have 2 less decimals.
Hope you brought plenty of cleaning products. 'Cause you messed up.
Why don't you make like a butt? Get out of here!
Shit. Time out.
I'm gonna let you off the hook on one condition, and that condition is that I never have to see your faces again. How's that? How's that stick with you, eh? Is that good? Thought so.
Eat a dick, you filthy squid lickers.
See, I don't want Okay, can I get some money for some lottery tickets, Dale? I feel